Okay, so this is the back of the couch. This is how we're supporting the wall. We're gonna put the seatbelt up so Emily can be safe in the back seat, or whoever rides in the back seat. We have another one in case we get another person to ride with us, but that's that. And then this is, I put that in. That's the bed, and then the headboard. Alicia's hand. Yeah, so that's gonna fold out and be the bed, and then that'll be the headboard, but during the day it's the back of the couch, so it's pretty cool. And then we'll have these little cubbies here and over there, and those are gonna be for the floor when we pull out the bed for extra support, so I don't have to have them out all the time. Yeah, so we're gonna put in that seatbelt now.
I am so tired of losing stuff as soon as I have it.
Yeah, me too. I'm tired of you doing that. Look, guys, Alicia put in a seatbelt. So now my couch has a seatbelt and it's secure. Bye. So there's oil and the coolant.
Well, at the end of it, when it was almost done flushing,
But before that, it was like green,
I released
right?
this thing and it drained out. That's your coolant plug here, and then it drained out. And
Well, I guess let's do it and see.
We're gonna see if it.
Because if that's the case, I'm just going to be living in Mom and Dad's driveway and going nowhere and have no vehicle.
Okay, let's see. What happens.
Hi, Max. You hot? I don't know why you're doing this to yourself. The inside looks nice. I got the curtains done. I only have a couple of them up right now because it's hot, and they're blocking the sun. But there's Max. And hopefully my car is not on its way out like Katie's. And then we'll have 2 blown head gaskets. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so we've been running it for a few minutes, maybe like 4 or 5 minutes now, and it's running well. I think we're gonna run out of gas because we forgot to fill up the gas. So we're doing that. Hopefully when we drain the water out, we don't find any oil in it because that would be bad. So here's to hope.
It's probably just sludge.
You think so?
It wasn't oil. Because oil will float on the top.
And there was a lot of sludge going on.
Sludge won't. It'll just settle to the bottom.
Oh.
That's sludge. That's
Alicia,
sludge.
the whole time it was just sludge.
I just wanted to.
Oil
panic
will
button a
oil
little
will come to the top.
You just wanted me to
This
think that
is
my
oil,
whole
Dad. That's oil on top.
life was over.
I mean,
That's oil on top.
it's.
That was probably in the bucket. Remember the bucket had.
The
Oh,
bucket.
dear God.
You are the worst. You use that bucket to when you.
You didn't.
What are you trying to do to me? You're like,
I'm not a genius.
I'm like, I'm
okay?
gonna have to live in Mom and Dad's driveway all summer.
Oil in, so
I'm
that's
doing
what that
pretty good
is.
so far, and I haven't failed yet.
Because it looks
so.
very clean. Your green
I
stuff
just
looks
wanted
very.
to.
What?
Freak you out.
Okay, when you got water in there,
Dad's like, that's the oil bucket we use.
It won't look like that. It'll look like a white mucky crap.
Okay, so you're good, Chad.
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
So.
Okay, so we think that we have it running good enough to go. It sounds good. We just need to make sure it stays cool. We got everything packed in here. Those are, I already explained what those are. And there's like so much storage underneath. I fit all of our camping chairs, like sleeping bags and all that stuff is under there. There's a tent just in case. And yeah, this is basically it. I mean, we're gonna add a kitchen later on when I get more money, but this is basically like the dream right here. Like this is what I've been wanting for, a while now. And it's pretty awesome. Okay, we are now going for our first drive. Well, I mean, not first drive, but we're heading out for our first trip in the van. Mom and Dad are watching, terrified. And this is the power we have for the current speaker system we have. These nice computer speakers. which plugged into my phone will play music. And there's Emily back there, sitting in the back. That's the couch where Emily's sitting, and here we go. Here we are, driving Miss Daisy. Oh, she's driving with her elbows mostly. The Van Hathaway is doing so good. I'm so proud of her. And Alicia's driving again with her elbows.
Both of them.
Emily's sitting in the couch still. Pretty far. And she's got a blanket on her now. I didn't even notice. That's how much I look at Emily. What?
I have a mirror. I can keep checking.
My lips are pretty chapped,
She's
so.
alive. Bouncing around.
Here's a hill. My window's really dirty.
Oh God. Okay.
Oh God! So this is where we thought we would pull off to camp, but we're not sure that we can have fire here or camp. So, but this is the view. Why? Look at those fucking hills, man.
Rugrats?
Alicia, follow the conversation.
I don't know about the movie, but
Rugrats, are we still talking about that?
I don't know about the movie, but
The first movie came out like when we were like.
I think I just watched the show.
Max, can't you read? It's so slow. Going too fast. Hey, there's Van Hathaway.